Hello everybody, you braces people out there, are you ready to get them off? I found this video online by a young lady named Peyton. Actually, I think their family puts them together, but this is the Peyton, the friend to Jazzy, who got her braces on, and now Peyton's getting her braces off. I had to react to both of these videos. They seem like high energy girls. Let's see what it's like. Time for some PFOing, so you know where you're going.
Peyton finally gets her braces on!
Oh, and by the way, I am wearing a different shirt than the video you were about to see. That's because we had some sound issues. Now we had to make this section of the video again, which is different than the other video because I was in a different shirt. Hopefully it's okay and it doesn't offend you. Let's get to it.
And they said 6 months after I got my wisdom teeth out, and it's only been 1 month, but they said I can get them off, so...
Yeah. Just so you know, you don't have to get your wisdom teeth out to get your braces off. That was a particular situation here with Peyton, but she seems excited, as you should be if you're getting your braces off. It's a great day, long journey. Let's get to it.
It's gonna be awesome, and the other brothers do not know she's getting them off today, so we're gonna see which one of them
This Jazzy, Peyton, they're all trying to surprise everybody. It's fantastic.
notices that they're off first, and the winner gets a prize.
For her to get them off, and I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous? I don't know. Honestly.
People do get a little nervous. You've been in braces for so long, and then it's like, what do I look like without the braces? They've like become a part of you, give you power, and then you're gonna take them off. But I think that you will be very happy once they come off. The nice, big, beautiful white teeth, hopefully, because you've been taking care of your teeth, brushing really well during treatment,
Before picture, we need the before picture. Smile. Not like that.
It is hilarious sometimes. We're like, can you open your mouth? Can you close your mouth? Can you smile for me? Can you move your jaw? It's like really hard for people to do sometimes. Peyton, you're being silly, but smile. That's what we did all this work for.
Interesting.
Guys, it's time. I've had these on for freaking years. Which color should I get?
Whoa, those are all the retainer boxes at their orthodontist. It kind of reminds me of like getting donuts. I love donuts.
This one? I get 3. I don't know why.
You get multiple. That's very nice of your orthodontist because it's good if you can, have a box in different places. If you need to put, your retainers while you're wearing them all the time into a box, because some people put their retainers into a napkin or some other thing that ends up getting wrapped up and thrown away. So hopefully if it's in a box, it helps you keep it and you don't lose it. I think it's a great idea. Very nice of your orthodontist.
Awesome. Hey, you are gonna be back in this room.
Coco, I love Coco. Remember me.
Peyton. Oh.
My glasses.
Why do you wear glasses? Well, when the orthodontist is working in there and cleaning up all the glue, just did some ninja moves. Probably because I watched Peyton's other channel. Turns out she's like one of the ninja kids. Pretty cool. But back to the glasses. Why you wear glasses? Well, while the orthodontist is doing little, things in your mouth, not karate chopping you, he's using the handpiece, clean off all the glue. Some of that stuff can come out and we don't want it to get in your eyes. So, your glasses, cover your eyes. Closing your eyes can also be a good technique to keep stuff out.
All right, Miss Peyton, how are you doing?
Good.
You ready to get your braces off today?
Yes.
All right, open really big for me. You know what, Peyton? I don't think we really get your braces off until we see the chicken dance.
Whoa. Okay, 2 things. That is the worst feeling. Orthodontist, the day up, comes in, and when I say orthodontist, I mean me and my colleagues. We come in, we look at your teeth, and something happened, like a bracket broke, or maybe the tooth moved, and now it's not straight anymore. And we honestly sometimes have to say, like, something happened and we're not like completely ready. We really try hard not to do that, but we want to be honest and let you know. So pay attention. Make sure if you have any brackets that break before your braces are supposed to come off, that you let somebody know ASAP so that they don't have to tell you on the day of that we have to wait one more visit. And of course, before that day, make sure that you like the way things look and tell your orthodontist. And the orthodontist will be looking to make sure that they like the way everything looks too. In this case, one of the requirements for getting braces off with this orthodontist is doing the chicken dance. Let's see.
What?
I think I'm a better chicken dancer.
Just act like a chicken.
Oh, here it is.
Actually, I know a funny joke. Why are chickens so funny? Because I heard that one from an Instagram. Young child, genius. Just a genius.
This is not a chicken.
All right, guys. I'm actually hoping the boys notice today because I'm hoping the kids aren't that oblivious.
Yeah, I don't.
Sometimes we're oblivious, even adults.
Okay, so that didn't hurt as bad as I thought it would, because Paxton was like this every time. It was like, he was like,
I did not want to get Peyton's braces on, like, at all. I was like, I'm gonna wait till we're done with YouTube. Like, I don't know what I thought that was or what that was gonna look like, but I wanna wait till we're done with YouTube so she can keep a pretty smile, not have to worry about braces. And then what did you say to me last week?
my teeth look better with braces than they did without.
She told me,
Mom, just so you know, my teeth looked so bad before. I would way rather have braces forever than...
I did have somebody, after getting out an expander, say it just felt so weird to her afterwards. She's like, please put it back in. I couldn't believe it. But yeah, some people, on occasion, they're just so used to having braces that they want to put them back on. But I promise, you'll get used to it. Get the braces off, clean your mouth. It's going to be awesome, so pretty, and rugged for you boys.
Yeah, show Power Rangers episode 1, some videos before she had braces.
Don't do that.
It's a big difference.
Don't do that.
Pink Power Ranger.
It's so good.
you know what? I think she looks beautiful. She looks beautiful. But yeah, I'm glad I didn't wait till after YouTube. I don't know why she didn't want me to film that part.
Whoa, okay, so we'll go back just a little bit. Technician was taking out the wire. Some people may do it that way. You can take off each individual bracket. In our office, we take off, and couldn't see exactly how it happened here, but sometimes they might just keep everything together, the wires in place, the colors in place, and then they just start all the different brackets. You can check out our other video. That is one technique that you can use to get all the brackets off. Skittles for the first time, maybe? Some patients confessed to me. That was a weird story. I was with my brother and we were picking up a bunch of his friends and they all happened to have braces through our office, and all of a sudden they just felt the need to start saying like, yeah, I never wore my rubber bands and I ate candy all the time and I didn't do anything that you told me to. And I was like, seriously? Watch out for the candy, okay? Break your brackets.
Hey, she hasn't even let me see it yet. Her braces are off, so I'm gonna get to see it at the same time as you guys. Should we have our shows now? Yes. Yes.
3, 2,
1.
You didn't even get to see the buzzing. Okay, so, well, with glue on your teeth, after the brackets come off, some of the glue stays on the bracket and some of the glue stays on the teeth. And so you go back with that little high-speed handpiece and bzzz, and clean it all off. Sometimes you use a slow speed and bzzz. I do like my bzzing. And that cleans off all the teeth. We're trying to get all the glue off. Sometimes you have to get really close to the gums, and sometimes the gums are puffy. Peyton looks like she's done a pretty good job keeping things clean, so that wasn't a very big deal. Awesome job. Looks lovely, nice and white.
Oh, the reveal. Oh, this is so nice and straight. They look good.
What do you think?
Yes, slimy, that is the word. That is the word that we hear most often after people get their braces off, is that it feels slimy because, you know, your tongue can touch your teeth now.
Slimy?
Oh my goodness, my baby girl looks like so grown up right now.
I do?
You do.
Alright, let's go see if your brothers notice. She can't stop smiling. So when we started, you had a lot of extra space between your upper teeth and your lower teeth.
Oh, yeah, this is good. That's what we call overjet. Remember, you can check that out in our other video. This is the Seth x-ray. I like it. They're just reviewing where they came from, where she is now, and where they came from.
This is where we got you.
Oh, look at that. Look how big the difference is there. Much smaller. Rubber bands, maybe a Herbst, growth modification, something like that.
Up on the top. See?
Ooh, they put a little glued-in retainer back there. You need a retainer after your braces off.
Ought to make sure you're brushing your teeth really well down here. This is where we started, Peyton. Oh, Peyton, look. That's where we got you finished.
Wow, big difference. I'm telling you, orthodontic treatment through a professional can just be awesome. Lovely.
So good. It's awesome.
I think before the always hurt because I would be hitting my bracket, and sometimes it would get stuck and I'd go, "Brr."
Yep, that's true. So it's good to have the brackets off. Now your lips, it's just gonna be all normal again.
Is that how I laugh?
Grandpa noticed. Peyton, have fun at gymnastics. Knuckles. Love you.
I know.
Why are you looking at my knuckles?
They can't tell.
She's married.
I'm married. No.
Oh my God.
Passion's like,
He didn't recognize. No, the brace is up.
I can't believe you
noticed that.
Well, congratulations to Peyton and her family. The teeth do look lovely. There's a few important things that make up the smile. One that you come to the orthodontist for is straight teeth and beautiful bites. Then you also have the gum tissue and the lips and all those things that, you know, when you smile, you may not think, but contribute to the smile. Peyton has a lot of great things going on with her teeth, her bite. You saw that it was improved. Her top teeth came back. Just wonderful. Congratulations. A little slimy, but definitely worth it. Hey, if you're in the McKinney and Anna, Texas area and want to come talk about straight teeth and beautiful bites, maybe the option of braces or Invisalign to help you get there, we'd love to talk to you. We'd love to see you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel so that I can open your eyes to the wonderful world of straight teeth with Invisalign, braces, and beautiful bites. That's all I've got. Just a little PFO so you know where you're going. Packard